What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen. Welcome back. As you can see from the box and as you can see from the title, this is going to be a Jordan review. But before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram at We Don't Cook Food. All social media, We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys don't miss anything. Now that we have that out of the way, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Air Jordan 1 Satin Black Toe release. These originally released not too long ago. I think it was like August 17th or 18th. So correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty hard release, I'm not gonna lie. Locally there weren't too many pairs at the Florida Mall, Orlando. But as always, before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and review the box for you guys, so you guys just have this as like a legit check in case you want to order, in case you did order and you're not sure if you got something fake from StockX. Shots fired. But yeah, as you guys can see, luckily the box was packaged really well this time and it didn't come super beat up, which is really nice. As you can see, this is a size 12 women's. I think that translates to like a 10.5 men's. You know, your boy wears like a 13 or 14, so unfortunately I cannot squeeze my feet into this. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have been doing well. Things have been pretty slow all around in terms of just like things that have been dropping, sneakers. This week Supreme started up again in store. Next week it'll be online for the first time. I'm struggling to pick this up right now, but let me go ahead and fix that. Alright guys, so enough talking for me. Let's go ahead and open these up. So as you can see, this is what it originally looks like. Ta-da! Glee! These are fire. Let me go ahead and turn this around so you guys can see before I even pick them up. Wow. This satin really pops. Alright guys, there it is. This is the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toe. Just from the start. Glee! I gotta say it again. Free Kodak one time. Saw he pled guilty today. That sucks. But yeah, as you guys can see, this is satin material. Pretty gas. I should have uploaded the reverse shattered backboards when they came out. But yeah, first impression, I can kind of see why these are going for as much as they are. This is supposed to be like a really limited run for these, really hype. Yeah, but first impressions, first thoughts, these are definitely fire. I really like this satin material. Let me go ahead and let you see. I know you guys can't sniff that, but I wish you could. It's got that new crispy sneaker smell. Shout out Footlocker. But yeah, let me go ahead and stop talking, guys, and let's get into this. Alright guys, so there we have it. Again, this is the Jordan 1 Satin Black Toes, released not too long ago. If you want my personal advice, I would definitely hold these. As you can see, they've only been going up in value. I think that for these reasons, like this dope insignia logo right here, how it's not pressed into the leather, the satin quality's fire, the actual just craftsmanship this time is fire. I haven't seen like any gnarly glue stains or anything. Quality control was pretty good on these. Again, they were pretty limited. But yeah, personal advice, I would definitely hold these. If I didn't have size 14 feet, I'd maybe cop a pair. But yeah, definitely I hope that in case you were wondering whether or not you should cop or whether or not you'd like these, I hope that this video was able to help you make that decision before you actually end up cooking them. So yeah guys, we've had a lot going on, but as always, thank you guys for cooking with us. Let us know in the comments, do you like it? Would you cop them? Are you going to wait for them to go down? And did you find this review helpful? As always, thank you for cooking with us, and stay safe. Stay tuned for more, guys. Peace.